Fried foods, crispy, golden, and delicious. They're a staple in many diets around the world, from fast food joints to home kitchens. But behind the irresistible crunch lies a dark side. Today, we're diving into the health risks associated with fried foods and why they could be more harmful than you think. Fried foods are often calorie-dense, meaning they pack a lot of energy in a small portion. This is because frying typically involves submerging foods in oil, which absorbs into the food, increasing its calorie count. Consuming these high-calorie foods regularly can lead to weight gain and obesity, setting the stage for a host of other health issues. The type of oil used for frying matters. Many fried foods are cooked in oils high in unhealthy fats like trans fats and saturated fats. These fats are known to raise bad cholesterol levels and lower good cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease. Unfortunately, these oils are often reused multiple times, making the food even more unhealthy. The combination of high calories, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium in fried foods creates a perfect storm for heart disease. Studies have shown that people who frequently consume fried foods have a significantly higher risk of developing heart conditions, including coronary artery disease and heart attacks. When foods are fried at high temperatures, they can form harmful compounds like acrylamide, which is a potential carcinogen. Acrylamide forms from the chemical reaction between sugars and an amino acid called asparagine. Regular exposure to these compounds through diet may increase the risk of certain cancers. Fried foods can also be tough on your digestive system. The high-fat content can slow down the digestive process, leading to issues like bloating, indigestion, and heartburn. For some people, frequent consumption of fried foods can exacerbate conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or gallbladder disease. Regular consumption of fried foods has been linked to an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The unhealthy fats and high-calorie content can lead to insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of diabetes. Over time, this can cause significant damage to the body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels. What you eat affects not just your body but your mind as well. Diets high in fried foods have been associated with a greater risk of depression and anxiety. The exact mechanism isn't fully understood, but it's believed that inflammation and poor gut health caused by these unhealthy foods play a role in negatively impacting mental health. Your skin is often a reflection of your diet. Fried foods, rich in unhealthy fats, can contribute to acne and other skin issues. The excessive oil intake can cause your skin's sebaceous glands to produce more oil, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. Additionally, the poor nutritional content in fried foods can deprive your skin of essential nutrients needed for a healthy glow. Frying food not only adds unhealthy fats and calories, but also reduces the nutritional value of the food itself. Essential vitamins and minerals can be lost during the frying process, especially if the food is overcooked. This means you're consuming more empty calories with little to no nutritional benefit. If you're craving that crunch, there are healthier alternatives. Consider baking, grilling, or air frying your food instead. These methods use little to no oil, preserving the nutritional value of the food while giving you the satisfying texture you love. Making small changes in how you cook can have a big impact on your overall health. Fried foods might be tasty, but the risks far outweigh the benefits. From heart disease to diabetes and even mental health issues, the dangers of regular consumption are clear. By opting for healthier cooking methods, you can enjoy your favorite foods without compromising your health. Remember, what you eat today shapes your well-being tomorrow.